HTML allows us to describe the structure of a web page. HTML is like a base in the web development process. Don't worry, we'll make sure that your base is perfect. Hi and welcome in this lecture. My name is Aditi. In the previous lecture, we learned about the HTML links. In this lecture, we're going to talk about how we can apply colors on links and create bookmarks. So let's see our agenda for this lecture. First, we'll be learning about how to give colors to the links, an example. Then how to give a link to the button. Lastly, what is a bookmark and an example of a bookmark. And of course, an interesting assignment. So let's get started. So let's understand what is a link. A link is an HTML object that allows you to jump to a new location when you click or tap it. Links are found on almost every web page and provide a simple means of navigating between pages on the web. Links can be attached to text, images, or other HTML elements. In HTML, link is displayed in a different color depending on whether it has been visited, unvisited, or is active. The links are displayed in multiple ways, such as an unvisited link. The color of this link is blue and underlined. It simply means that you have not visited the link earlier. The visited link is underlined and purple, which means you have visited the link earlier several times. An active link is underlined and red. This means that you have already been active on the link. You can also change the link state colors by using style. Now let's see an example. Let's save this file and run it. Great. We can see the color of the link has changed. We have given the color code in the style attribute of the HTML page. Now let's discuss how to apply color on the button. The HTML button element represents a clickable button used to submit forms or to visit any website. Let's take another example. Here we have applied the link to a button. Save this file and see the output. Here we go. We can see that we have applied a link on the button. So what are the bookmarks in HTML? If your web page is too long and you want to directly go to a certain part without scrolling manually, then the bookmarks will help you with that. First, you need to create a link, learn about scripting languages, and then give the name to a certain part. Scripting languages. So in the above example, we have created different p tags representing different sections of the web page. We created a link having the location of the last section of the web page, which is scripting language, and gave the name last to that section. If we click on the link, we will directly jump on the scripting language section of the page. So this is it for today. I hope you found today's session interesting. Now there's an assignment for you. Create a web page having 8 chapters and give a bookmark to the 4th chapter. P tag will represent single chapter. We'll meet in the next lecture with some more exciting concepts like today. Goodbye and take care.